Hello everyone, welcome to Eman United Unity tutorial videos, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a drop-in platform in Unity 2D. Here go a preview on how it's gonna look. You're gonna have something like this. You wanna have the player, and the player gonna jump on those platform, and after 1 second the platform should drop down. Alright, let's begin. Alright, first let's put a platform here. You can like go in the game object and just click on any platform here. You can just create a cube if you don't have anything to create it with, but for me I'm gonna go in materials. I have those platform here. I have those platform. I'm gonna grab one here. I'm just gonna put it here, put the size just like this, and I'm gonna put one here, and then I'm gonna duplicate it and put the second one right there, right up there. Alright, let me just name this drop-in platform. Same goes to the other one. I'm just gonna copy this and put it here. Alright, and on the first one, let's go in script, but first let's stay in here. Let's add a box collider 2D, and let's add a rigid body 2D, and make sure on the rigid body 2D let's leave it at kinematic. Alright, and let's do the same thing for this one. Rigid body, kinematic, and box collider 2D. Alright, let's go in script. Let's write a script. Let's write it drop-in platform. We're gonna leave it at plat. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, first we don't need the update. Let's erase this. Alright, and on the top here let's write rigid body 2D dot RB. Alright, in the void start you're gonna say RB equal get component, and then we're gonna write rigid body 2D. Alright, and down here we're gonna write void on collision enter 2D. We don't need all that. Let's erase this, and then let's erase collision. Let's write other, and then this is supposed to be 2D, and this is gonna be 2D. Alright, and then on the right here we're gonna write RB that is kinematic, and then we're gonna write false. We're gonna put it false, semicolon. Alright, let's save it. Let's go back in Unity. Let's click on the drop-in platform. Let's put it in here. Alright, let's put it in here, and also let's put it on the second one too. Alright, and let's hit play. Alright, as you can see, as soon as the player dropped on the platform, it dropped. But we can fix that. We can add a delay to it, like when the player jump on the platform, it will take 1 second and then the platform drop. Alright, let's go back in the script. Let's erase this. Let's go on top of here. Let's write public float dropping delay. Alright, and then you're gonna go here. Let's write void start dropping. Alright, and here we're gonna write RB that is kinematic equal false. Alright, and here we're gonna write invoke start dropping, and then you're gonna write dropping delay, and then we're gonna put the semicolon. Alright, let's click save, and let's go back in Unity. Alright, let's click on this platform here. Let's put 1 second, and let's put 1 here. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, we have a player here, and let's go ahead and jump in on the platform. Boom. After 1 second it should drop. Nice. Alright, let's hit play again. Oh, I know the problem here. Let's make sure we click on the platform. Let's make sure we put ground on. Let's tag it ground, and the layer is ground. Same thing for this. Tag ground and layer is ground. Alright, let's hit play. Okay, we have a player here, and let's go ahead and jump on it, and after 1 second the platform should drop. Alright, here we go. We just create a dropping platform. Great job, guys. We did it. We made a dropping platform in Unity. And remember, guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment if something was confused, and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye for now.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.